Hello guys, good afternoon. So on lot of demands, I'll be sharing today the recipe of banana chips. So the prerequisite and ingredient for it is raw banana. Whenever you will select bananas, please ensure they are purely raw banana. They should not be soft because if they are soft or yellow in color, your chips will not become a crispy and they will become a sluggy or a soft. So this is a prerequisite and important thing for banana chips. Now second step is you need to peel the banana. So take out a banana ready with a sharp scissor and peel them. Once you peel them, they will look like this and your hand will look like this. Some black color will come on your hands. So bear with that, it's not a harmful. For seasoning, you can choose seasoning as per your wish. So I'll be taking black salt, regular salt, powder sugar, red chili powder. So you can take black pepper, mint powder, turmeric powder, or if you want plain simple, then you can just use salt as per your choice. Another important thing is oil. So to fry these chips, the oil should be good hot. If it is not hot properly, then your chips will not become a crispy. And the quantity of oil should be a little bit on a higher side because it will allow some space for chips to fry. If oil is less, then you cannot fry them properly. One more thing, be ready with the tissue paper and a good larger plate so that you can take out the chips directly from the pan and put it over here so that it will soak the extra oil from it. To fry chips, you should have such a slicer. Okay, if you do not have slicer, do not try with a scissor because you will not get a thin size of chips. And once you now ready with all the setup, what all you need to do, put this slicer like this on the top of pan and just slice the bananas like this. Slow the flame if it is real hot. Ensure that your hand will not come on the top of pan, otherwise it will get burned. Some chips will go on the platform of your gas, so make sure the gas will be clean. Put it like this. Take a zara, I don't know what the English name of this, and give a gentle stir. This is important, otherwise chips will stick with each other. Now how you will ensure the chips are completely fried? So one thing, you can take them in a pan and see if the crunchy noise is coming. If it is coming, then the chips are done. Another thing, if you will not see bubbles into the hot oil, then that is another indication that the chips are ready and you can take it out on a paper towel like this. Now for seasoning, since some oil is there on the chips, so immediately put a seasoning whatever you want, lemon powder, sugar powder, salt, black pepper, so that it will stick to the chips and it will not separate out. Mix them properly and chips are ready to go.